Hey YouTube, I got you on my new tripod. I don't know how well it's going to work. Bear with me a sec. It's new and I'm not used to it. What do you think? Can you see me? Huh? Well, we're cleaning up. I'm going to give you a little walk around. We just tossed another dishwasher in there. Got that one stripped apart. I need my boy to help. Oh, maybe I can get that cement block out without it. Yeah. Well, that makes it lighter. A lot of hose in there. Okay, just took that cement block out. Right there. Look at that thing. Holy. Yeah, I stripped her down. I don't need that out. That's just a heating coil. The front inside panel, that's why the door's off, because the inside panel is stainless. The rest of it looks stainless, but the magnet sticks to it, so it's no good. It's got to be non-stick. Non-stick. So if I set you over here, I'm stripping lawnmowers apart. You see that all right? Hopefully, without me messing up. It's a very cool tool. 14.4 volt. It's an anvil. Sockets fit on it. Boom. Nice little impact gun. Makes short work of taking these blades off. Ah, yeah. Got too much stuff in here already. Goggles. What else do we need done here? We need this guy off. We're coming. Remember how old some of these machines are? It's just plastic, so it goes in the garbage. Yeah. Okay. Okay. 4 little bolts holding the cover on. Get a socket. Should fit that. Hammer him. Bingo. Holy moly. Nice. The battery's dead. That don't help. Try that again. Wow. Okay. thought the drill would do it, but it won't. I'll have to impact them. Well, that made a hell of a difference. See the difference between a drill and an impact? It's pretty good. Should have been the cover. Something else is still holding it. Like I said, tear it apart brutally. It's not like you're putting them back together. One electric motor coming out. Yeah, I didn't think so. Too rusty. You don't see my cutters anywhere. So I got another call for a fridge and a stove I got to pick up after. My boy gets done after 6 o'clock, so we're going to go and get it. Figures, hey, I just cleaned the yard up. Now I'm going to pick up more appliances. Voila! One motor. This guy can go in there. What size are you? Same size? Nope. Don't think you are. You're spinning underneath, aren't you? Yeah, okay, that's why. Spinning underneath. A lot of times those screws are welded to these things. I guess not today. Not gonna let me hold it. 10-foot screw. Okie. You lay there, you over there. Oh, there's some nice copper. Some nice copper in there. And brass. A little bit of everything in there. Okay. Get those brushes out. There we go. I'll be a little more up close and personal. How's that? Can you see? Those are generally brass. I've come across the odd one, and I mean odd, that is not brass. It is actually steel and it looks like brass. So you really got to watch it. That little guy can come out. Oh, you're not going to come out until I pop them out. I'm going to put you all in there. How's that? Okay, see that? Little copper, little piece of brass, more copper. You cut it the right spot. That actually, I don't know how well you can see it in my glove. But that's, whoop, clean brass. It's allowed to have copper attached to it. So, and then I just cut this off here. Cut it off flush. It's a nice little strand of copper, goes in your number 2 bucket. I know it's just little piddly shit, but I look at it this way. I won't sleep tonight if I throw it in the shred. So, if you have it off, you might as well take it, right? So there isn't a whole lot of wire. Gotta make sure you get the spring out of there. So, magnet, nice piece of brass. Don't leave the spring in. The spring will screw you up every time because the spring is steel. See? Look at that, it even warped to the shape of the magnet. So, a couple nice little pieces of brass. In the brass bucket, same with these 2 wee little pieces. 2 little pieces of clean number 2 copper. I know everybody just throws the stuff away, but well, went through the effort of taking it all apart. I might as well put it where it belongs, right? So I just got to pull the rotor out. Most of these are magnetic, because you can see that's just a big magnet, but the rotor is all copper. Gotta get this little washer off the other end here if it'll come off all right for me. It's a little rusty. Come on. I think I'm gonna need the hammer. You just don't want to budge. There we go. Did we get you loose now? Come on. There's too much rust. There, just a little rusty. Magnet holds pretty good. Actually, I think it's that bearing that's holding really well. Yeah, there's the magnet. There's one big magnet. Yeah, she's holding on that bearing. I'm gonna have to put it in the vise. But anyways, you see all the nice copper on there. Copper there, copper there. I take them all apart. And that's the electric lawnmowers. There. Good hit with the hammer on the vise. Nice copper in there. You can pretty much see through it, so the stuff will come out pretty easy. You can cut it. I generally cut it where it's all hooked, because these guys will pop right off. Cut it right there, and you can pretty well just pull it right out. So that'll be one that one that I saved to do this winter. Yeah, I got a bigger tripod. Okay. You guys don't belong in there. See? Adding to my hoard. I can do them all. See? You can see through it. So it'll be easy. Look at the copper on that where the brushes were rolling on, eh? Man, oh man. Like, don't throw that stuff out. If you got the time and the know-how to do it, you know, do it. That's what I say. Just do it. So I'm gonna go over there and grab another machine. I'll show you it isn't the world's hardest. I have a, oh there you are. Clean up my mess. One of those nice quick release magnets. Boom, boom, boom. Just like that. Oh, aren't you a rusty bucket? Look at that, he's full of holes. I stick my finger right through his deck. So that's almost a guarantee. These screws are not going to come out. So we'll give them a try. Nope. You almost pop it right through like that. I gotta get that cover off. Same size socket. Nope, you're smaller again. What size are we? 3/4. Try a 5/8. Think that works? Oh. Bada boom, bada boom. Oh, the plastic stayed with it. That's fine. Another washer there. Screwdriver. What do we got for screws here? There's one. There's one. There's 3. The other screws I'm finding are the ones that are holding the cover on. Oh, you get the right size? No. 3/8. You go one size smaller. I don't think it's 5/16. Oh, you are. Okay. I didn't think you would be. Bigger or not? So yeah, another pickup. And by the way, I'm being paid 90 bucks a ton. I called him up. They couldn't understand. He mispaid me. We were at 100 bucks a ton. It's dropped to $30 or dropped 30 bucks a ton, so it's down to 70, but he promised me 90. So, which is mighty wide of him, I think. Okay, the motor's loose, I just gotta get this cover off. I think we're gonna do a beat me a that one's broken. That one's broken. You just need to get the motor out. Of course, it's held in by all its wires. Shit. I can leave that cover on otherwise. Come on, man. There's part of you. There's the other part of you. My wrist has been hurting a bit. Boom, boom, boom. Out go the lights. Another one done. Up in the pile you go. Some nice little wires on here. Lots of grass dust. Okay, are you the same one? Yep. Works pretty slick, huh? I have a 20-volt one, but it's not an anvil. I like the anvil better because you don't have to look for the adapter. And I have the adapter for making it bigger. Go over to 1/2-inch drive, because that's just a standard 3/8 drive. 3/8 drive sockets. I have the adapter to go, well, yeah, they're just a regular adapter. I have the adapter to go on here to put these guys on for your drill. Come off. Okay. Are you gonna come out? Yes. You just gotta get them out of here. There we go. See, it's just magnets. Look at that. You can see right through that one. All that nice copper. Why would you throw that out? Like throw it in your shred. Okay. Ease me up, Chuck. There we go. Get the brushes out. Come on. It's holding you in. Oh. Okay. I got it. These are a little bit different. Cut the plastic off. There's a nice piece of brass. Nice piece of copper. Boing! You see that? Spring went for a shit. I don't know how the hell they got this clamped on there, but There we go. Here's a brush. See, always check. Like I said, sometimes come across that they're steel, but that is not. So brass, we like brass. Same deal with this one. The wire off. Cicadas are singing. It's good. Hoping for a little more summer. Gorgeous day out. Oh, shootsy scores. There we go. Oh, there's a little chunk of brass. Here and there. Here and there. Check, check. There's hidden treasures everywhere on these things. So if you got the time or you want to do it, you know, be right back. If you got the time and you want to do it, you know, why not, eh? Every little bit helps. Look at that. Even got a nice piece of extruded aluminum. Can't argue with that. That's steel. Nah, just hard plastic, so it'll go in the garbage. So there you have it. I won't bore you any longer. Rotor goes in the rotor bucket with the ones that I can take apart. A little bit of wire. Little piece of aluminium, can't argue with that. Extruded. My winter's gonna be very busy. Busy, busy, busy. Hopefully I don't shut you off. Look at that, I've wasted your time already. So what do you think, eh? Looking lots cleaner. We never did get at that wood. I decided to get this stuff done so we could fill up that bin. That's why I'm going to keep working on these. I got 4 more to do. And then they're all done. That way their carcasses can go in there. I already got them ordered. He's going to pick it up Monday. He's going to make up the difference for my load that he messed up a little bit, thinking paying me 70 instead of 90, so he said he owes me about 30 bucks, so that's fine. Reason why he did it free of charge, because make sure he gets my scrap and nobody else. So that's fine by me, but I've known the guy for a long time too, so that helps. So there, happy Saturday. 10 to 5. Temperature in the garage is almost 80, so it's about 72 out here. Really nice, comfortable day, crisp, you know, no sweaty. So like, subscribe, and share, or not. Enjoy your day.